Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make this viral whipped coffee, which is also called as Dalgona coffee. It's trending all over the internet right now, so I tried to make it for the first time and it turned out to be beautiful. And now that we have a lot of free time and this is something so easy that we all can try and make, so let's begin. We only need 3 ingredients, which is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water. If you have an electric mixer, then the whipping process becomes a lot more easier, but right now I'm going to use a hand mixer and whisk it until it's thick and creamy. Now it's been 10 minutes and it has got a very silky and creamy texture, but I'll just whisk it a little bit more. Yeah, this is the thickness I'm looking for. I'm going to pour some milk into my glass. You can add some ice cubes as well. Then we'll top it off with the whipped coffee. Just look at that, guys. It floats on the milk and has a very beautiful texture. I can't wait to dig in. It's so easy and so amazing, all whipped under just 15 minutes. If you have some extra time, you should give this a try.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or any suggestions regarding the recipe, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again with a new video. Bye.